Hello guys, myself Jackie Shaurmavi and I started the new topic of electromagnetic radiation which people cannot see previous video. So first I request that they go previous video and to see this new topic, electromagnetic radiation. Basically we discussed in previous lecture the basic of electromagnetic radiation. I say that it comes from the earth by the sun. It comes from earth. It contains many properties of wave and electron. So basically by the behalf of electromagnetic radiation, some topic we easily clear, that is the some phenomenon of radiation, some phenomenon of thermodynamics. So here we can conclude that the electromagnetic radiation very easily describe the polarization and the interference, diffraction. Basically in that topic we discuss the application of electromagnetic radiation. On the electromagnetic radiation, in this behalf we easily describe polarization. The polarization is, if you people thought that in that depth, the polarization basically is the bundle of lights. When an atmosphere, the bundle of lights in the space, that we thought that there are many waves of light in that particular state. When the electromagnetic wave travel in a medium, we discussed previous topic that it contain electromagnetic field and magnetic field in y direction, and in z direction is electromagnetic field. Then when the electromagnetic wave move in the x direction, that shows that the combination of B and E, here B is magnetic field, E is electric field. When the combine of this move in x direction, that is wave vector, which shows that both field. So the electromagnetic radiation, which contain energy, which contain magnetic field, which contain kinetic energy, which contain potential energy. Here behalf of electromagnetic radiation we define easily electric current, magnetic force, some other quantities. So you people thought about electromagnetic radiation, that is very most important topic is polarization. The polarization is this: when the when we took some light of a source which contain electromagnetic radiation, because it circulate in radial outward direction means when we took a circle or we draw a circle, then the outward direction is radial direction. So basically the electro when the polarization is that there is two type, that is polarized light and unpolarized light. When polarized light is passed to a polarizer, when the this is about the x-axis, this shows that the when the light is symmetric about x-axis, then this shows is polarized light. When unpolarized light is that when it comes from polarizer and it cannot parallel to the is about the symmetrical axis. Basically in general we can that x-axis. If so, this is polarization. About this polarization we can easily some other phenomenon, that in this that topic The electromagnetic radiation follow thermodynamics, that is conservation of mass, conservation of energy, thermodynamics first law, thermodynamics second law, when and electromagnetic so very properties of nature. I say that this we can easily define of some phenomenon of physics, that is interference, that is diffraction. When in this situation we thought that we define some easily term. I discussed that electromagnetic radiation. So we take radiation. The radiation comes from Earth in the packet of bundles. When this is the E barabar h mu square. So you people thought that I can say that the electromagnetic radiation contain energy which comes from where is generation. The generation of energy is that I showed in previous lecture. The electromagnetic radiation shows both property of light and wave. So wave, that is matter, the electron is associated with electromagnetic wave. When the wave follow in a medium, then some electron in that particular situation. So one electron have contain energy E is equal to h mu. So we can easily define and many other terms. Huh. Yes, I can contain one term importantly you two people defined. That is the radiation comes from the earth is form of energy. This is not this is not proportional to temperature. So please listen carefully. This is energy is proportional to temperature to the power fourth. Temperature to the power fourth. This comes from sun. This is the temperature to the power fourth. So you people thought that that is a vital source of energy. In electromagnetic radiation, we have the general application is that is solar cell. In today's life, the solar energy is very easily without free of cost. In many people which discovered solar cell, it contained the application of thermal radiation. We basically use in many terms radiation, and generally in physics this is called thermal radiation. The application of thermal radiation is in many ways in power plant, electricity generation, in nuclear nuclear radiation. So we basically in future we contain many topic electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic. I want to describe you to people how electromagnetic radiation which connect electricity and magnetic which combine. I can define the electromagnetic radiation is the term which is the center of the physics which contain mechanics, property of matter, the fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, and wave mechanics, that is electricity, magnetic, atomic physics, nuclear physics. There is many aspect of physics it contain. So if you know people know about electromagnetic radiation, then you about the physics. Some many scientists thought that about electromagnetic radiation. सो यार मैं हिंदी में लास्ट में एक ही बात कहूँगा कि प्लीज़ यार इस सब्जेक्ट को ना फील करो, जैसे आप और चीज़ों को फील करते हो ना, समझ रहे हो ना मेरी बात। हाँ, जिन चीज़ों को आप बहुत पसंद करते हो, आप ना इस सब्जेक्ट को उसी तरह फील करो। मैं बता रहा हूँ आपके सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएंगे। अगर आप इस सब्जेक्ट को ना फील करते हो ना, तो तब आप बहुत अच्छे से सीख सकते हो। और मैं गारंटी देता हूँ कि एक बार वीडियो देखोगे, आप इसको फील करो, समझ जाओगे। बाय।